To our channel. MCQ is the discuss about cost accounting. MCQ of process costing. There is a पार्ट 2। अगर आपने हमारा अभी तक पहला वीडियो नहीं देखा तो पहले वो देखिए, उसमें हमने 15 MCQ डिस्कस करे हैं। उसके बाद आप हमारा ये वीडियो देखिए, देयर इज MCQ ऑफ प्रोसेस कॉस्टिंग पार्ट 2। लेट्स स्टार्ट। MCQ नंबर 16, process laws that occur under the information working condition and is a control is called option A abnormal laws, B uncontrolled laws, suitable laws, C normal laws, D none of the above. The answer is option A abnormal laws. 17. Which among the following statement is a true for byproducts? Option A, two or more products of equally important. B, secondary product, incidental products. C, products in different product line. D, all of the above. The answer is option B, secondary products, incidental products, that is a byproduct. 18. In a oil refinery, petrol and diesel are considered option A joint product, B co-product, C by-product, D none of the above. जो oil refinery and petrol and diesel are considered as the joint products. The answer is option A. 19. Blank process loss should be transferred to costing profit and loss account. Option A abnormal, B normal, C actually, D all of these. The answer is option A और नॉर्मल जो लॉस होता है दैट इज अ ट्रांसफर टू कॉस्टिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंटिंग। 20. Loss arising due to evaluation is considered as a blank in process account. Option A abnormal loss, B seasonal loss, C normal loss, D none of the above. The answer is option C normal loss is a process accounting arise for operations losses. 21. A process loss that does not affect cost per unit. Option A standard loss, B normal loss, C abnormal loss, D seasonal loss. The answer is option C abnormal loss, that is a process loss this does not affect for cost per unit. जहाँ पर जो abnormal जब लॉस होता है इन अ कॉस्ट प्रोसेस कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग दैट इज नॉट अफेक्ट फॉर कॉस्ट पर यूनिट पे कोई अफेक्ट किया होता नहीं है। 22. In process costing, costs are accumulated by A batch, B job, C production order, D process. The answer is option D process. 23. Process costing is suitable for option A mass production industry, B job of long duration, C organization retailing service, D production as per customer's requirement. The answer is option A mass production is industry that is suitable for process costing. 24. Abnormal gain in a process is written to be blank. A credit side of process account, B debit side of process account, C debit side of costing profit and loss account, D none of the above. जो प्रोसेस कॉस्टिंग अकाउंटिंग में abnormal gain is written to debit side of process costing accounting. The answer is option B. 25. Among the following, which method of costing compute cost at the end of each process? Option A, job costing, B, contract costing, C, process costing, D, batch costing. The answer is option C, process costing. There is a compute cost at the end of any process. 26. Loss which is unavoidable on account the nature of material is called A, uncontrolled, B, normal, C, abnormal, D, none of this. The answer is option B, normal. 27. Loss which is avoidable is called A, uncontrolled, B, abnormal, C, normal, D, none of the above. The answer is option B, abnormal loss that is avoidable. अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर जरूर करना। अगर आप